Okay, just a quick overview of Bundled Up for Christmas, just to show you the huge value that you get in the members area. When you log in here, there's an opportunity obviously to join, as usual, our YouTube group and our Facebook group. And then the members area is split into sections. So firstly, you've got all of my products from this year, all 21 of them. Include stuff on pretty much everything you can think of, from a really basic course for those that are new to all of this, email marketing, list building, if you need a quick income fix from stuff not related to internet marketing, if you want to learn how to launch products, if you want to know how to make commissions from high ticket products, if you want to learn how to drive traffic down here in total traffic, if you want to build a list, 15 different ways to build a list quickly, right through to reseller rights, through to social media, and through to traffic generation. You've got 5 different ways to get traffic to any link. With Promote Your Offer, that's via a members area. With Place Your Link, it's a rotator. With Total Traffic, with Traffic Time, not with total traffic, that's how to learn how to do traffic generation yourself. With Traffic Time, with Triple Traffic and XMAS traffic, it is all rotators that will drive traffic to any link of your choice. So there's an absolute ton of stuff in there. Then you've got access to all my 2020 and 2019 products, which are there. Then you've got upsells to all my 2020 products built in. The only thing not included is the 2021 upsells, which you can pick up with the first upgrade, because that includes a huge amount of additional traffic generation via the rotators. And then products from 10 top marketers: Kevin Fahey, Gina Bayback, Eric Hammer, John Newman, Johnny Rose, Joan Altres, Ronnie Rocksmith, Jason Eichel, Actor Allen and Will Weatherly. And you've even got included resources such as free squeeze pages there as well, folks. It really should be a no-brainer. All of these Christmas bundles are always amazing value. This is probably the best one out there, folks, if I'm being honest. 55 products, $1,700 worth of value for a crazy low price. If you don't pick this up, I guess you're probably never going to buy anything online, because I don't see really how you're ever going to get a better deal than this. So that's really it, folks. That's the overview. That's the demo of Bundled Up for Christmas. If you turn this one down, I would say you're not really in business at all, because you're not going to buy anything. So hopefully you will pick up a copy. Okay folks, it's Christmas bundle time, so let's make this brief, because this is the ultimate no-brainer. 55 front-end products plus 11 upsells for the price of one. It includes 23 of my products from this year, 2021, 22 of my products from previous years, and 10 products from other top marketers. It includes the chance to put any URL of your choice on 4 different traffic rotators for free daily traffic forever. It teaches you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, list building, email marketing, traffic generation, social media marketing, running prize giveaways, product creation and launching, selling high ticket offers. You name it, you're bound to find a product inside Bundled Up for Christmas teaching it. Now this isn't a hard sell, but the price will go up significantly when the launch ends. It has to, because it's just so cheap for what you're getting. Even if you already have some of my products, don't forget, you're only paying for one. So fill in the gaps in your collection. Even if you're one of the loyal members who's bought absolutely everything I've bought out, well, it's still worth picking up just to get another 4 links on those daily traffic rotators. So there really is no reason for anyone not to pick this one up. Most importantly, it will give you all the training and resources you could possibly need to start 2022 with a bang. Scroll down the sales page and you'll see all the products that are included. So don't delay. Pick up your copy today and I'll see you on the inside.